Should we do some slow-mos? Should we do slow-mos for this look today? I don't usually do slow-mos like for all of like my tutorials. Stop doing them because honestly they're kind of a little cringy to watch sometimes. But sometimes when I'm really feeling myself, I do it. You know what? Let's do some slow-mos, okay? Let me get some music because I gotta play music to get myself like feel myself. And you know who be getting me into it? Burna Boy. Where he at? Let's see. We're gonna play the African. No, we're gonna play Guilty. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Whit here again with another video. So today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial. It's been a minute because, you know, I've been doing a lot of clothing hauls. So yeah, we're gonna be doing a makeup tutorial on this look right here, and I really love the way this look came out. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and get started. I already have my brows filled in like I usually do. Well, most of it. I don't do the front, it's towards the end. I primed my eyes using the Anastasia eyeshadow primer. So today's look, I'm going to be using the Norvina Volume 1. I got all three, and well, I've had them for a while and I really do like these palettes. I was a little salty at first because I was like, you know, Jack came out with her palette, and you know, I don't feel like the brand was pushing it and giving her the shine she deserved. But her palette's still doing very well, it's selling very well. But after I got over that saltiness, I was like, these palettes are freaking gorgeous. So I'm gonna go into this palette, taking this brush. The look I'm actually creating today, I did this makeup look, or this eye look, on a client this past Saturday at work, and I loved it so much. I'm gonna first go into the shade right here called E3, and we're gonna put this in the crease. Let me bring you guys all the way in. Oh my gosh, you guys, it feels like it's been forever since like I've actually filmed a tutorial. I've been doing a lot of clothing hauls. I love filming them and you guys love watching them. But I do love doing makeup tutorials. And so just have to get back to the roots, you know, bring it on back. So next, I want this like brownie shade. And the cool thing about these like Norvina palettes, or just palettes in general, is like looking at what you have and trying to create more looks with that. So I'm gonna take this brown shade in this color and I'll back into this one. Not more shades. I don't know what I just said, but essentially what I'm trying to do is create different colors that are not essentially in this palette. Because a lot of times we think we need to have all these different transition colors, but you can create what you want. So I'm trying to get like this brown shade without having to go into like multiple palettes. Like that. So I'm gonna do the other eye. Okay, so then what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go back with that first blending brush and just kind of buff this out, the edges. And actually I'm gonna go back into the E3 shade and like add some more color up here. So that looks so pretty. Okay, let's take this more pencil brush. I'm gonna go into this shade right here called D4, I believe. Yeah, D4. It's this really pretty blue. So now I'm gonna just take this and I'm gonna place this right here. Ooh, that blue's intense. It's hella intense. I'm trying to remember what I exactly did on her eye, because I did cut the crease. I know I didn't do that. I'm gonna take this other blending brush, and I'm just gonna blend out the edges. So I'm gonna go ahead and like kind of drag this blue this way, and at the same time I'm like blending up. Am I in focus? You guys, I'm gonna go see Frozen 2 today. Oh my gosh, you guys. So I got Disney Plus. Best thing freaking ever. Like, I am a big kid at heart. I love watching cartoons. SpongeBob is still my favorite show till today. Well, it's my favorite cartoon. One of my favorite cartoons. No, I think SpongeBob is my favorite cartoon actually. So I'm a big kid at heart. So when I saw Disney Plus, I was like, yes. And then also I do have Verizon, so we get it free for a year. I was like, hold up. Holla, 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 holla. Okay, let me stop being ratchet. And I've been catching up on stuff, you know, and all this good stuff. And I'm like, Frozen 2 is about to come out. Let me watch Frozen, because I haven't watched Frozen in like forever. So I was like, let me watch it so I remember like what happened in the first movie. So now I'm prepared to watch the second movie, because now I know what happened again in the first movie. Ooh, this is actually coming out really cute. This is coming out real cute. I think I might have put too much of this blue shade on, because I gotta fit like 3 other colors here, so. Ooh, we'll see, we'll figure this out. I don't know. So now, what I'm gonna do is we're gonna use a couple of stuff. For the most part, we're using the Norvina palette. We are gonna stray away for just one of the colors, but it's still an Anastasia shade. And if you're like into Anastasia, you probably have the shade at home, so. So next, I'm gonna take this flat brush. Focus on it and not me. Yeah, we're gonna take this brush, okay. That's enough. All right, we're gonna take this brush and we're gonna go into this shade right here called E1. It's this really pretty peach shade, like peach gold shade. And I'm gonna take it on this brush. I'm gonna take some setting spray because, you know, I want this shimmer to be intact. Sometimes some shimmers are like too loose and they get all over the place. And I'm just gonna put this shade, oh, let me do this eye, sorry. I'm gonna put the shade right here. I'm gonna think about how I'm gonna edit this video. So like, I think I might cut out most of the stuff I'm doing on this eye. That's why I was like, let me do this eye. So we're gonna put this here. We're gonna kind of bring it up. Ooh. By the way, follow me on Instagram if you're not yet doing that. You know, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, I think you should. I think I'm pretty cool. Like, I think I really am cool. So you know what? I would really love it if you guys were to subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. And if you are, like, leave a comment, you know? Like, leave a comment. So I didn't put this peach shade all the way in here because I do want to do an inner corner highlight. Then I'm gonna clean this brush, this same brush that I was using. I'm gonna clean it off for the most part. Yeah, clean it off with a napkin. And then I'm gonna go into this Z palette here. This holds all my Anastasia single shadows. And I'm gonna go into the shade right here. It's called Pink Champagne, which if you don't own Pink Champagne, what are you doing? Like, this is a color that I think is a staple in everyone's like eyeshadow collection. So I'm gonna take Pink Champagne, and this one for sure, I feel like I said that name too many times. I'm gonna take this and spray it, and I for sure have to do this with this particular shade because it can get everywhere, and when I spray it, it kind of like compresses the shadow in a way to where it just stays put like where I put it at. And I'm gonna put that in the center of where I have this peach and this blue shade meeting. And I'm just gonna kind of overlap this peach gold shade with this pink champagne color to kind of fuse them. And then we're gonna just like blend everything and mesh it all together. So now I'm gonna go back with the brush that I used to put the blue shade on, and I'm just gonna go ahead and like start blending these together. I definitely think this looks so much better on that girl that I did her makeup for. Like, so much better. I don't know, like, have you ever like done something just like, why did I do it? Like, I just can't recreate this look on myself like I did it on you. Like, what's going on? Like, I definitely did a better job on her. I think because also like she was paying for it. So it's like, I gotta get this right. I gotta get her the exact look she wants. Like me, if I don't like my eye makeup, I mean, I just put lashes on and keep moving, and hopefully next time I like it. But like for other people, it's like, bro, I gotta get this right, because I am just thankful that I don't have people, I've never had that issue of people complaining about the way I do their makeup. So, yeah, and I want to keep it that way. I want to keep it that way. Ooh, okay. So I want to go back in and add a little bit more of that peach. You know what I think it is? Because that girl, the girl that I did her eyes, like her freaking eye shape just looked seductive. Like it was just, whoosh, I don't know. It was perfect for the eye look she wanted. And I mean, I don't have like, if you notice, I don't really do inner corner highlight because it it does not work for my eyes. I don't have that natural like placement where it just sits perfectly, so I usually don't do it. But I'm gonna go back into that peach color and I'm just gonna put a little bit more. Like, I don't want the pink champagne to take over, so I'm gonna have to cover up a little bit more of that. I like this, okay. And then I'm just gonna take the same brush. I don't know if I should grab some more blue. See, I did use another blue on her though, but I'm trying not to grab too many palettes, but I think I'm gonna dip into the Norvina Volume 2 palette. I think I'm gonna just dip like ever so slightly into the shade B4. B4! Okay, whatever, let me stop. Just un poquito. Honestly, is this needed? Probably not. But right now it looks like, Whitney, why'd you put that blue? But don't worry. Don't worry, you guys. I'm gonna make it all tie together. And I really want to be cautious of like really pulling it this way because I'm trying to give like a different eye shape in a way. I don't explain it, but like I'm doing something here, okay, you guys? I'm like really doing something here. And then I'm just gonna go back into D4, the shade from the Norvina Volume 1, and kind of go over this. Honestly, do you need that other shade? Not really, but it kind of gave the blue a little bit more pop because this D4 shade from the Anastasia was kind of pulling a little like blue black, and I wanted to be apparent that I have blue on my eyes, you know, so. And then since we're here, I'm gonna go back into this palette, and I'm gonna go into the shade right here called A1, which is just like this purple, like lilac duochrome type color, and this is gonna be my inner tear color. I'm gonna actually spray my brush because this shadow is just a little dry, so I feel like I'm having to do a lot of work. But I feel like a lot of these like lilac duochrome shades tend to be a little bit more dry. By the way, I do plan on buying the Frozen collection. Like, I'm not even a crazy Frozen fan like that, to be quite honest. I'm really not, but those palettes look freaking gorgeous. So I'm gonna wait to see, because I'm pretty sure Colourpop is gonna do like a Black Friday, so I hope they do. Even if they don't, like Colourpop is super cheap. So I'm gonna wait it out, and I'm gonna see if they do anything for Black Friday or Cyber Monday, because I mean, if I could save more money, why not? Why not? Ooh, that looks cute. Can you guys see that? Honestly, looking at the viewfinder, I don't know what you guys are seeing, because in person I'm seeing like lots of colors, and on camera I feel like I'm just literally seeing blue and like white. I mean, I'm hoping you, like, let me get close. Close. Okay, there we go. Do y'all see that? Okay, cool. Just so you guys know that I'm not just over here like not doing anything. Like, I'm actually trying to put colors on. So yay, I was able to fit all 4 of these colors on my eyelid, because when I started I was just like, Whitney, I think you thought you had more space and you really didn't. But truth be told, I do got enough space. All right, so that's that with the shadow. What I'm gonna do now is go ahead and throw on some wing liner, because this look needs the wing liner to like lift up the eyes, and some lashes. And I'll be back to show you guys what that looks like. And then as far as like my base makeup, you guys should follow me on Instagram. By the time this video is going up, it's gonna be too late. But you should follow me on Instagram, because I'm gonna be doing my face makeup over there, just to kind of cut down time on this video, because listen, I can't be posting no 30-minute video. Like, it just takes so long, okay? So follow me on Instagram, so that way you're able to see me more if you like me on YouTube. If you don't, then well, then I guess you just don't follow me. Anyways, no, not playing, but no, for like, you guys should follow me on Instagram, okay? Okay, guys, so this is the completed, well, for the most part, the completed eye look. I'm gonna do the rest of my face off camera, and then I'll be back to show you guys the completed look. Well, most of it, because I'm gonna do the bottom part on camera for you guys, and yeah, okay. I'm back with another one, I'm back. Do you guys watch this girl called I Am Treya here on YouTube? Like, she tells like natural hair horror stories, and like I be singing her song. She's like, it's Treya and I'm back with the horror story, Anyways, whatever, that's completely random. But let's go ahead and do the bottom shadow. So what we gonna do is we're gonna go into this blue. We're just gonna jump right into it. At least if you're a deeper complexion. If you were lighter, I would start off with a lighter transition color on the bottom and then put the blue, but I'm gonna jump right into the blue and then I'm gonna smoke it out with some more black. Yeah, let me get you guys closer. Hey, it's me. Hello, what you don't know is I'm really from the ghetto. You guys remember that, like, I think it was like a Vine. I don't know, but yeah, that came from somewhere. I didn't make that up. All right, so you really wanna like smoke out this blue, and I kinda wanna bring it a little bit low because sometimes I don't bring it low enough, and then like whenever I put black, it like takes over it. You don't really see like how smoked out I was trying to be, like, you know? I didn't even tell you guys what lashes I use. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. The lashes that I used were from AliExpress, and I'm gonna link it down below where I get these lashes from. This is the style 5D80. This one, they real life literally look like the Lily lashes in Mykonos, and these cost $2.35. Those cost $30. Listen, I am not above paying an inexpensive price for something. I'm sorry, I'm not spending $30 on a pair of lashes. Like, it's a no for me, sis. Now, I got the blue the way I want to. I'm gonna go into the shade D5. Oh, sorry, the black in this palette with this really detailed brush. Like, see how flat it is? That way I can get really close underneath my lash line because I really want the blue to be everything. Oh my gosh, you guys, like, I'm looking at how dramatic my makeup is. You'll be like, where the hell is she going? I'm going somewhere. They're like, ma'am, this is a kid movie, okay? Nah, but for real, them seats were selling out. I cannot. I was like, what the heck? All right, and that's all I really want to do. I love how that looks like a darker blue, but it's still blue. And then you just want to go ahead and, you know what? I was gonna use like a pencil liner, but I'm trying to cut down where I'm using stuff. So I'm gonna use the ABH Jet Liner, which I use to line my top liner. Or what? Huh? I'm gonna use the ABH Jet Liner is what I use to do my weave. That sounds more better. Hold on, more better is not correct English either. Whitney, I'm gonna say that sounds better. What? Oh, I think I kind of stained my lashes, my liner. I was like, it doesn't look as black as it's supposed to. Why? I look good. I'm sorry, y'all, but I freaking love this palette. Like, it has so many unique colors in here. Oh my gosh, like when I'm at work, y'all, I literally go to like a Norvina display and I literally just stare at it. Like, I clean the palettes, I make it look all neat, and I just stare at it. Like, all of them. They're freaking amazing. But anyways, y'all don't even care about that. Let me go ahead and finish the rest of my face and then show you guys what I'm gonna be doing for my lips. Okay, you guys, so for my lips today, I'm gonna be using the Colourpop Shayla collab in BFF4. And then for the actual lipstick, I'm going to be using the Armani Lip Maestro in 202. I'm just going to rub together. And then I'm going to take this MAC lip gloss or Lipglass in Oyster Girl. You guys know I love a glossy lip. I love my lips so glossy. Okay, you guys, so this is the completed look, and I freaking love my eye makeup. It's gorgeous. I love it so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're not yet following me on Instagram, you should follow me on Instagram. Also, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, if you're new, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I think I'm pretty cool, and I think you'll like me. I hope you like me. And if you are subscribed, go ahead and hit the, well, if you're subscribed, and if you're not yet subscribed, go ahead and hit the like button. Also, leave a comment down below letting me know what type of videos you guys would like to see. And until next time, I will talk to you beauties later. Bye.